for Just Nailed It, and this is SheModern Saturday. It's getting closer to Halloween, folks, so we're going to do us another Halloween manicure. I'm using Big Bang Beauty XL027. This is a really cute plate. I'm using the eyes, cats on the wire, and the pumpkins in the trees right here. We have some orange and black nails. We're going to stamp on the orange. The black nails are going to be smoky. So I'm going to be using our white smoky watercolor paint polish by SheModern.com. Really sorry. Can't find my words here. Opaque black sticky stamping polish. So we are going to start with the smoky nails so that they have time to dry. Each and every time you use the smokies for your watercolors, make sure you shake them. There is a metal ball inside, just to make sure everything's mixed up really well. Oh my gosh, it won't open. Okay, let's hold on. Alright. Okay, we're back. I had to go to my son. This was pretty well stuck. So I got my little Daphne dish of water. Got my brush. And my smoky watercolor. Now you don't need a lot. These are the matte black nail. You can't use these on a glossy nail. They will run. They will run like it's nobody's business. They will. They really will. It'll run all over the nail. You see on a matte nail, it just kind of stays put. So these being watercolor, they need time to dry. So we're going to go on with another dot. And I've cleaned the top of that before with alcohol, I think it was, maybe. I love a smoky nail. What do you think? Oh, am I even in frame? What do you think? I like you. I like you. So we're going to put these back over here so that they can dry. Let that be that. We're going to start our stamping. I have got my jelly reinforced sticky stamper by SheModern, my stamping plate, my scraper by SheModern, lint roller, my remover, and my cotton claw. And I've got my opaque black sticky stamping powder. We're in business now. But evidently I need to clean them again. So I'm going to partially close this. Put that up there so I can clean it better. Okay, we're going in with where are the eyeballs right here. There's a bunch of eyeballs. See? Bunch of eyeballs. Here we go. Everything is completely covered. Here we go. I'm going to use my scraper to clean up what I do not want on the nail. You can use a lint roller, a piece of tape. Make sure I got the nail and the stamper the right way. There we go, there we go. Oh snap. looks kind of eerie. Let's look at it a minute. Can you see the eyeballs? Smoky nails are looking pretty cool. So we're gonna go in. Alright. The cat and the wire. We're putting that on the middle nail. Definitely almost out of black. Time to place an order. Pray we make it through the manicure. Okay, we got it. We got our 2 little cats on some, I'm assuming it's wire. That's what it looks like to me. I don't know if you can see as well. We're going to stamp that on the middle finger. There we go. Whoops. And your stamper and your plate after each use. That's always rule of thumb. Whoa. Next we are going in with 3. We'll do this here. Go this way. Oh boy. That's going to be cut a bit close. Slow and slow, ladies. Slow and slow. Roll your stamper over your image for a perfect pickup. You don't need to apply pressure. Beautiful pickup. Here we go. Pumpkins didn't turn out as clear as I had hoped. May have pushed a little too hard, a little too firm. Operator error. Here we go, here's our Manny. Now I use some sticky stamping polish. These are sticky, so I'm not gonna touch. So here we are, we're back here. Got some sticky nails, and I kind of want to do the matte. But I think the smoky would look great glossy. Oh, what to do, what to do. I'm not putting any bling on it. I'm going to let it stand as is. Just SheModern purely. So, I'm going to use matte. SheModern, it is a clear jelly, no white, matte top coat. Oh, wait a minute. Let me look at this bottle. Make sure what I have. No white satin. Glad I looked. Okay, this is the gloss. Satin. Satin. Where's my SheModern matte? Here's the SheModern matte finish. This is what we're going to use. We're going to top coat our nails. If you're still with me, let me know. Let me know you're staying till the end. Some people don't. I put up a video last week, and I can tell by comments, a lot of people didn't watch to the end. It really bummed me out. You know, I was looking for some support. For those of you who did, watched to the end. Those of you who supported my video, I greatly appreciate you. I want you to know that. I appreciate your love and support. So here we are. Our nails are finito. I'm going to pop them into the lamp. Give them a full 60-second cure. And we'll be back. Okay, we are back. And they're matte. And unfortunately, I'm not a fan of it. I don't like the way this nail looks matte. All the eyes. I don't know, I'm not a fan. So I am going to do them glossy. So here they are matte, so you can get a good look at them. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know, do you like the matte finish? We're going to go glossy. I'm a glossy gal, but lately I am learning to appreciate the matte finish. I just don't like it on this nail. I'm sorry. For those of you who like matte, I don't know, I wasn't feeling it. I just wasn't feeling it today. Not today. Ow, ow, ow. So hopefully this looks better glossy. Because I ain't going back. It all depends on this nail right here, how she looks. All the eyes. All the eyes are on you. So here they are. They're going to go in the... This is how they're going to look. So... There she goes. She's in the lamp. I want to take this opportunity to remind you of my giveaway. For SheModern's Black and White Sticky Stamping Polish. This is going to run until probably January, I'm guessing. And I pick twice a month. The 1st and the 15th of each and every month until these run out. And so far, I mean, I drew last week, and I'm filming this video a little bit early, and so far she hasn't come forward, so hopefully I don't have to redraw. Hopefully she does get my comment. I did contact her, which is against my belief with the giveaway. I feel you are responsible for watching my videos to see who won. It's not I don't feel it's my responsibility to contact you, but whatever. She hasn't come forward yet, so we may have a redraw. Pull these out of the lamp. Here we are. Oh yeah, I like them a lot better glossy. I do. Look at I like the eyes. That's what did it for me. The eyes, I didn't like how they were matte. I love them much better glossy, as well as the smoky. I like them all better glossy, I really do. You can see the, I don't know, I can see the eyes on the cats. I don't know if you can. I can. Well, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my mani. One more Halloween manicure down for 2022. I like it. So yeah, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my channel. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Don't forget, folks, keep entering. This is open worldwide, but I have to warn you, internationally, you are responsible for your own shipping. I'm very sorry about that, but that's the only way I can include you in this giveaway. So here we are. Enter the giveaway. If you've already entered, you don't need to keep entering. Your name does carry over, but please keep watching so I don't have to redraw. If you've entered, watch the Saturday videos. I don't combine it with the SheModern Saturday It's a separate video for the winners. But you gotta watch to win. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.